as we learned what is wool in the last part in the Tamil language. And today we are going to see what is process to obtain fiber to wool. Welcome to Chemistry and Magic subject, and please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. First we can see what are methods to convert fiber to wool. The first step is shearing. I will also add the images of process of shearing and the other steps too. The second step is scoring. The third step is sorting. The fourth step is cleaning of burr, or also called as burr picking. The fifth step is dyeing. The sixth step is straightening, combing and rolling into yarn. Now let's see how the process is done. Okay, now let's see what is meant by shearing. First point, removal of hair or fleece from the sheep from its body is called as shearing. Like taking out the hair from the sheep's body is called as shearing. Second point, the uppermost layer of the skin is dead, so the sheep will not get hurt with the process of shearing. For an example, when we cut our hair, this hurt us? No, right? The same for the sheep also. I will add some videos of all the process if possible. What is scoring? The removal of dirt, dust and grease from the sheep hair by washing it thoroughly is called as scoring, like washing our dirty clothes. What is sorting? The hairy skin is sent to a factory where the hair of different texture are separated as per the wool variety and quality. Like how we are separating as pencil and tip pencil, the same, but here it is separated by the quality and the variety of the wool. What is cleaning of burr or burr picking? Small hair or fluffy fiber are called as burr picking. The small fiber, when we wear clothes, it will come out, no? That is called a burr. What is dyeing? Adding color to a fleece is called as dyeing, like the same we do to our hair. Most commonly, the organic colors of the sheep hair will be black, brown or white. What is combing or rolled into yarn? In the process, the dyed fibers are snathed, combed and rolled into yarn. The longer fibers are made into wool for sweaters and the shorter fibers are spun and woven into woolen cloths. If possible, I will add some images or videos so that you can understand it clearly. In the next parts, let's see what is life history of silk moth and how can we obtain silk from cocoon. Tata, bye, see you.